He might make it.
Can I pet him, my teeny baby?
I petted him.
Hey.
I hope he can fly.
I want you to go in the road, buddy. No, not in the road. No road time.
And don't let Two Thumbs get him.
I'm not.
Oh, he was hurting for a good minute.
Hey.
If he can't fly, we're going to have to keep him for a minute.
Want me to grab him?
You can grab him.
Crap. Can I take off my shirt and grab him?
Don't take your shirt off. I just don't want Two Thumbs to get him.
Hey, honey. What if he pets me?
He didn't. Well, he was kind of stunned whenever